Friends, hope everyone is doing good and safe at home. Let me take this opportunity to share with you the key concepts of world best in class Toyota production system. We all know that Toyota created history by giving a unique manufacturing system which is being adapted worldwide. Success of this Toyota car company because of this manufacturing system leads to a lot of research into their philosophy. So I thought I can make an attempt to convey you the concepts of Toyota Way in just 10 minutes. Now, the total idea of Toyota production system is based on 14 principles which can be classified into four broader categories called 4P models. Let us see what is this 4P model consist of. The first P denotes philosophy, which is long-term philosophy. The second P denotes the process. The right process will produce the right results. The third P denotes the people and the partner. And the fourth P denotes the problem solving. Let us understand in detail the four P's applied into the Toyota production system. Starting with the first P, it talks about philosophy, the long-term philosophy. Toyota is serious about long-term thinking. The focus coming from very top of the company is to add value to the customer, the society and the economy. This drives them a long-term approach to build a learning organization. This philosophy is the foundation for all other principles applied in the Toyota production system. Coming to the second P, which is process. The right process will produce the right results. You know, Toyota is a process-oriented company. And what they did differently here is that they have created a continuous process flow to bring the surface, to bring the problem to the surface. Toyota developed the unique manufacturing system using the lean thinking, which is nothing but Toyota production system. The idea of this Toyota production system based on identification of the waste and elimination of those wastes. When I say waste, you appreciate there exist 7 types of waste in any kind of manufacturing organization, namely the overproduction, overprocessing, overmotion, overtransportation, queuing, inventory, defects. Toyota not only trying to eliminate these 7 type of wastes, they also found the 8th type of waste, which is called human potential, which means unleashed creative mind of the people. Now, this lean production system can be created in 5 steps. Let us see step number 1, defining the customer value, which means understanding the clear actual value meant by the customer. Say for example, customer would like to receive a right product with the right cost with the right time. So having understood the real value of the customer, then we can move on to step 2 by developing a value stream mapping, which can be constructed in a simple way by mapping the various sequence of operations required for manufacturing of for a particular product, right from raw material to its finished goods stage. This can be represented in a flow diagram indicating the each and every activity, including movement of the material as well the flow of information. Once we have this value stream mapping in our hand, then it is easy for us to identify the value added activities and the non-value added activities. Thereby, we can start eliminating the non-value added activities by introducing certain countermeasures. Once we have done with this step 2, we can move on to step 3 by creating a continuous process single flow, which means we can ensure the uniform production output, uninterrupted uniform production output. Then we move on to step 4 by using the pull system like Kanban for our production scheduling only upon receipt of the customer order, which means there is absolutely zero inventory in the production system. Then finally to the step 5, which is nothing but leveling the workload, which is basically by balancing the volume of production as well the product mix for a day-to-day scheduling operations, so that to ensure that there is no single resources are overstretched, therefore we can able to meet the customer commitments. Moving on to third P, which is the people and the partner. This is by growing leaders who can thoroughly understand the work and live in the philosophy. Also, to teach it to others. Toyota believes in growing leaders within the organization rather than bringing it from the outside organization. The reason for this approach is that they believe that the outside leaders may not understand fully the Toyota production system and also will not live in their philosophy. This is the concept which they applied in developing the leaders. They not only develop the leaders, they also develop the exceptional people and the teams who follow the corporate philosophy. This is achieved by training the exceptional individuals and the teams and assist them to achieve their given targets. When we come to the partners, Toyota respect their networking of partners and suppliers by giving them a challenging target and assist them to improve their performance. This clearly shows Toyota value their partners and challenge them with higher targets and also assist them to achieve their desired results. Then we move on to the fourth P, which is problem solving. The highest level of Toyota way is the organization learning. Identifying the root causes of the problem, preventing them from occurrence is the focus of Toyota continuous learning system. This is achieved by three means. The number one, go and see yourself the problem and thoroughly understand the situation, which is nothing but Gemba. The second point is that you make slowly the decision by consensus after considering the various options, but implement the decisions rapidly. The third one is that you become a learning organization through reflections, continuous improvement and standardizations. I hope I tried to convey some of the essence of the Toyota production system in a simple way. In fact, I felt the lean concepts may be useful for our day-to-day operations in the upcoming business environment, which is very volatile. It demands for efficient operation and cost leadership. Thank you very much and thanks for listening. This is Gunashekharan working for Danieli India Limited.